Hi guys, I learned a funny thing and I want to tell you. Let me just get my cello. Look, it's so funny. I'm going to do it with all my notes. It's so funny. It's like this. It's like something is going like up. Now this one. You see? It's so funny. Now I'm gonna do to down to the top. Wait. Now the other note. Now the other note. Now the other note. It's like so funny. And look at this, like this is so beautiful. Like I can do, I don't know, like I'm an Albanian and like I don't know how to talk so much English, but I want to talk English for you to understand. Like the girl singing. Bye bye.